Good morning, fifth grade. Welcome to day 4 of the Island Project. Up until now, you have been working on slides 1 through 7. I have Sophie's opened up as an example where last week you created a name for your island. You uploaded a map with a key for your island describing the different landforms. You explained where on the Earth's map is your island, and specifically you gave the longitude and latitude by marking it with an X on the map. You gave detailed descriptions on the weather and climate of your island so that we know what the temperatures are like, what the precipitation is like, daylight hours, the different biomes. And you gave 3 plants for your islands and explained the adaptations. We are now moving on to the animal section. I know this part many of you have been looking forward to, and I ask that you pay attention carefully so I explain these slides. Today, you're only required to work on 3 animals, so I'm suggesting slides 8, 9, and 10. However, if you'll notice, there are a total of 8 animals that go up to slide 15. You need to have 1 mammal, 1 bird, 1 reptile, 1 amphibian, 1 fish, and 1 insect. And you can do these in any order. So although slides 8 through 10 are the insect, fish, and amphibian, if you would prefer to do reptile, fish, bird, and a mammal, you can do that. The last 2 options for animals are your choice. They can be any type of animal. They could be another bird or another mammal or anything you prefer. So basically, I want you to work on 3 slides from slides 8 through 15. They can be any 3 slides. It doesn't have to be in the order that it's presented, but please keep the slides in that order. In the next 2 to 3 days, you will have all of your animals complete. Let me explain how you'll be doing each of these slides because they are identical. At first, you're going to explain the method of eating. So if this is an insect, how does your insect eat? Describe it. Listen carefully. This section called type of consumer, this section called type of consumer, please leave it blank. I will explain this section in your live classes. So 5.2 and 5.3, you will learn what type of consumer means in our live class on Tuesday. 5.1, please wait to do this part until Wednesday during our live class. We'll do it together. So you'll explain how they eat, how your insect eats or how your animal eats. Skip type of consumer. You'll give me 2 things it preys on. So maybe it preys on other animals. Maybe it preys on a plant. Explain something that it preys on. Predator or what eats it. So does anything eat this animal or is it at the top of the food chain? Habitat. What habitat on your island does it survive through? And finally, you need to give 2 adaptations. As you recall from your plants, an adaptation is a body part or a trait or a characteristic that helps an organism survive in its environment. So you're going to give me for this insect a body part. You're going to explain the function. What does that body part do? For example, maybe it's narrow wings. How does it help the organism survive? Maybe it allows it to fly through narrow surfaces or something that works for your island. Be specific. You'll give 2 body parts, 2 adaptations that help this animal survive on the island, and you'll insert a picture. Today, you are doing 3 animals only. Tomorrow, you'll do another 3. That'll be 6, and then we'll wrap them up later this week. So that's the plan. Please email me if you have any questions. I have office hours available every day. Please just check on Nightsite to see when those will be. You're always welcome to pop in and get my help, and I'm happy to work on these slides with you. Enjoy working on your animals and making them creative, and have a great day.